These are my real dark circles. It's not fake. These are real.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Soumita and today I'm showing you exactly how to take your under eyes from this to this.
So if you also have dark circles,
That just don't stay hidden. Trust me, this video is going to change your makeup game forever. Let's get started.
just putting a lip stain so that I'm not conscious about my lips. Using a primer.
Always start with a well hydrated under eye. Now comes the magic step, color correcting. If you have dark circles like me, chances are they have a blue or purple tone. So I am using an orange color corrector to neutralize that darkness. Just dab a small amount wherever you see a little darkness. For me, it is the under eye area. Gently blend it out with your fingertips or a damp sponge. I am applying color corrector wherever I see a little bit of dark spots. I got some pimples recently and those have left some dark spots. Here's a trick that lot of people skip. Set your corrector before concealer. I'm taking a tiny bit of translucent powder and lightly pressing it over the corrector. This locks the cream product in place, prevents creasing, and makes your concealer apply more smoothly. Next up is concealer. This is from Mars. This is little yellow for me, but I will make this work. I will apply it wherever I see the darkness and I'm just taking a very little product. Remember, less is more. I'm gently pressing the concealer on the places where there is darkness, not blending it now. I'm just applying it to the areas and I will keep it for at least 5 minutes. Remember, this is a very crucial step. Just don't blend it now. Keep it for some time. Meanwhile, I will do rest of my makeup. Taking a very tiny amount of foundation. This is from the same brand Mars Cosmetics. I'm taking it all over my face and blending it up, but I will not touch the concealer area. Now taking a brush, you have to gently dab it. Don't swipe it. Just blend it very gently and so that it is not moving from the place, just keeping it where it is and I'm just blending it over. I'm using the concealer brush 219 from Pack Cosmetics. Just dab dab dab, gently dab it. Don't try to move the concealer and just use the motion how I'm doing it in the video. Once that's blended, we have to set it again with a translucent powder. I'm just taking a very little product of the translucent powder, lightly pat it under the eyes. This keeps the concealer from creasing and locks everything in. Now, if you want that extra smooth, crease-free finish, baking is the way to go. I pick up a generous amount of powder in my puff. You can also use a sponge. Press it right under the eyes and just let it sit while you do the rest of your makeup. This technique helps absorb any excess oil, brightens the under eye area, and really set the concealer in place. Those who have very dry under eyes, you can skip this step if you feel that after baking your under eye becomes very dry. Once I'm done with my lipstick and the rest of the makeup, I take a clean fluffy brush and gently sweep off the excess powder. Now to finish it up, I'm going to use a makeup fixing spray. This is from Mars. And that's it. Look how smooth and bright my under eye look. No creasing, no patchiness, and the dark circles are gone.
So if you want to see more such videos, do comment and like my video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.